I don't know if she'll be alright. I don't know what they did to her. Or why.
So what do we do?
Do they have the idea of your ship?
We finish the job.
You need money, no matter what.
Katie comes through, you and your sister get off the Whitefall. If she doesn't come through, you get nothing right sooner.
You throw them out, I'll leave it too.
It might be best to do. You ain't part of this business.
She was trying to threaten you to leave your ship.
I'm a dead
Did
man,
you
I
have?
can't.
You too?
What is it that makes you so afraid of the Alliance? You don't want to go down this road with me, boy. Hell, you should probably be working for them. You certainly fit the program.
You? Logical.
Saw that coming. Now, I gotta know how close the Alliance is. Exactly how much you told them before Wash scrambled your call. I'm giving Jane here the job of finding out.
He was not specific as to how.
Oh, I'm not scared.
He was scared. Just do it.
They'll come after me. Long after you bury me, they'll be coming.
What do you know about her?
They know everything. They know every name, every record. They know how many nose hairs you got.
Don't they teach you how to withstand interrogation? Can't even tell a damn lie.
Let me speak a language you will understand. Money. You'll have enough to buy your own ship.
Does it care?
Something about me turning on the captain.
Yes, it does.
I'm wondering, you know, about his loyalty.
Could be they're headed somewhere particular. Or hold the course. Should be passing them in a minute. So we'll see what they do. I don't understand.
Melinda.
Campfire stories of men gone savage on the edge of space, killing.
They're not stories.
What, they are like pirates, you know?
They'll rape us to death, eat our flesh, and sew our skins into their clothing. And if we're very, very lucky, they'll do it in that order.
More like cannibals than pirates. Something to kill yourself. I don't think that she's the kind of woman who would accept, you know, to be tortured and killed and all. She would prefer to kill herself. They didn't see you? Or at least they don't care about you?
They're holding course. I guess they weren't hungry.
They're pushing out further every year, too.
You can't be much to them not die about. It's getting cold. It's nobody's fault. Okay, just promise me you remember that.
You're not gonna die! No!
You are a nice man, Cap. You always looked after us. You just gotta have faith in you.
Don't die. Oh. No? No!
It's just a
What the
standard
fuck?
kind of immunization package. I'm not sure
Are
if
you
it
for
works.
real?
I'm sorry.
You're gonna be more sorry in just a few minutes.
Comes time, someone's gonna have to deal with him. That should be you. But I don't think you got the guts.
I don't think so, neither.
Katie's dead.
For real? Why did you make that character being so nice and all if it's for killing her just like that? What now?
You're psychotic.
You are sneaky! Right there! To do that to the viewers, see? I was beginning to be mad at them for creating that character and killing her. And in fact, it was not the case.
Patience. We're close enough for a bit, put her up.
Sneaky writers. Now I'm mad at you. Again.
Ain't out far enough. Nice to terms.
She shot you.
It's imprinted. Alliance. Hence the discount. That doesn't work for you. No harm. Just thought you could use it. I believe that woman's planning to shoot me again.
Here's a little concept I've been working on. Why don't we shoot her first?
It is her turn. You notice anything particular about our luck these past few days? Any kind of pattern?
Calm down.
You depend on luck, you end up on the drift. No fuel, no prospects. Waiting for alliance.
The battle, he was waiting for luck, you know, for support.
We'll get through this. We will.
Aish. How? You know, they are standing, they are walking and all. It's also a Western way And these landscapes.
Very good. Testing camp, can you hear me?
I'm standing right here.
You're coming through good and loud.
Nah.
I'm standing right. Snipers hit us from there. From there. You figure they're in place yet? Should be.
Oh man. Sacred book.
Oh no. He's gonna
I
use
believe
you.
you're in more danger.
Why? He was already on the ground. Horses now. Jane? That was a nice shot.
Genuine A-grade foodstuffs. Protein, vitamins.
It was not, I thought that it was gone.
Where's the rest?
What did you feel? She woke up, you know, like she felt something.
I never let go of money I don't have to.
Nice hat.
Nah. No. Can you stop shooting our characters?
Oh, he took River.
He can hear you. We are dealing with patients and a man, the Fed, but also I think with air support for the Fed. You?
I'm restricted. Now don't you take another step.
Nah. The money. Just give us the money.
I do the job.
And then I get paid.
They followed us. Look where Reaper's followed us.
It's a reverse. Simon.
Now don't move.
He said it. Do you have that in you
You say I'm
to
hungry.
kill someone?
You're gonna kill a lawman in cold blood.
That's what I said.
Where the hell are you guys?
Let them the time. Come on, you have to be kidding me.
It's your call.
I'm not sure what I want you to do. I think that I was gonna say Jane is gonna do it for you, in fact.
Anybody makes so much.
It was Mal, not Jane. Can you let him hear, you know, for the reverse? I was kidding. Time to show your skills as a
The
pilot.
engine room, please. You get boarded. You take off. Head for town. I might be able to stop them from following you.
They'll kill you.
No.
You want me to go for full burn?
Not just yet. Send it up.
You know where the press regulator is?
Okay.
Everybody hold on to something.
There's something you can't do.
Oh! Woo! Well done.
You know, I hired you for something.
Yeah.
Sir, I'd like to take the helm, please. I need this man to tear all my clothes off.
Yeah.
Work. Been on the Abbey 2 days. I've beaten a lawman senseless. Fallen in with criminal. I watched the captain shoot the man I swore to protect. Not even sure if I think it was wrong. I believe I just think I'm on the wrong ship.
Or maybe you're exactly where you ought to be.
That position, like she's the one who is giving him the religious thing.
We'll find a safe place.
Can she be safe somewhere?
I didn't think you'd come for me.
Oh, you're dumb. But he did try to make a deal with you, right?
Money wasn't good enough.
What happens when it is?
Well, that'll be an interesting day.
Why?
Imagine it will.
I want to believe in his loyalty.
There's places you might be safe. But the truth, though, you're probably safe on the move. And we never stop moving.
You want them to stay with you?
Maybe gonna guarantee you that it should produce magic. How do I know you won't kill me in my sleep?
Ah.
If I would kill you, you'll be awake. You'll be facing me, and you'll be armed. I always say sentimental. Had a good day. Oh, you're still flying. It's enough.
It's the worst. You know what this might means. Yes. I'm already into it. I think that you saw that during the episode, the fact that I'm already into it. I was so mad at the writers when I thought that Kylie was really dead. I was really seeing stuff like, why did you create her? Why did you make her so nice and all for killing her like that? I was beginning to be mad at them and at what I thought that they could do, you know, that kind of thing, killing characters like that just to be sure that you're gonna think that everyone can die just like that and all. Like some writers into some shows that are just enjoying creating new characters that everyone loves for killing them in shows right now, that I thought that this one maybe did the same for the first episode. They didn't. And that was sneaky, you know, to not do it, to make us think that they did it, but in fact no. I was mad at you still. It's gonna last less than if you would really have done it. Huh? I'm not sure of the verbs, but still a little mad. It's really weird for me. I think that I have all of their names. There are not so many, in fact. At first I was lost because I thought that they would be many more than that, because you know of also all of the names that they were quoting like that, and I couldn't put a face on it. But now, in fact, all of the names that they mentioned, we saw them all, and we already know who the main characters are gonna be, what are gonna be their mini-issues. But still, we have some mysteries for these characters. Of course, about Simon's sister, you know, River. What happened to her during the time that she was into that government place? He said that they played with her brain, but what does it mean? Is she less clever or more clever, in fact, because of the fact that they played with her mind? I think that it's more clever. For them to continue to search for her, it's like they're considering her as an asset, as something, someone that they can use for something. So that's why they are searching her so much. So I think that she's more clever, or maybe they did something to her, like they created something based on her. I don't know. I want to know what happened during that time that she was with them. I want to know what she can do right now, only with her mind, or she can do also other things. Her brother said stuff like she's not just clever with math and all, she's also clever with stuff in the world. So I'm wondering, I mean, can she fight? Can she do stuff like that? So Simon and her, they're gonna stay with us. Him as a medic and her as what? That's great. And I'm not buying the we need a medic. I mean, it can be a reason, but not the only one. It's still a generous offer that you just made, like, you know that they're gonna put you in danger and you're offering him that. I think, you know, that even if he's playing as being a tough guy and all, he's still a nice person, a generous one. He's loyal to his crew, he wants to protect them, but he doesn't trust them. I mean, you know what he said to Jane just right there, like, if someone is offering you more money, are you gonna continue to follow me? I think that he wants to make them his crew and all, but he doesn't trust them enough, or maybe he doesn't want to care too much about them. I mean, because of what we saw at the beginning, that battle, you know, he lost a lot of his men, he was expecting support, and support didn't come. Maybe he felt like it was a betrayal and he lost men because of that. Maybe he doesn't want to care about people anymore, to count on people anymore, but still he does, you know. at least with Zoe, with the pilot, with Kylie, cares about them. He's acting like he doesn't, but in fact he does. Kylie, she said it. Oh, I'm sorry for my hair, but really it's so hot. So I think that they had a relationship before, you know, a love one. Mal and Inara. There is a background just right there. They are used to talk back to each other, but they are still, you know, keeping an eye on each other. She's still coming back on that ship. And right there, he wanted to protect her, you know, with the reverse, what he told her. I think that there is another mystery just right there. He said something like, I'm gonna be sure that they're not gonna reach you, like the reverse are searching for her. Was she one of them? No. Was she used by them and he saved her? I don't know. Another mystery for me, which is maybe just a little one, but why do they speak Chinese? All of them. It seems to be normal, you know, the fact that they are switching between English and Chinese. Why? That's a little mystery, I know. I think, you know, that this show is gonna be like, we have these mysteries to resolve for the story, the big story. We have potential development for the characters, and they already presented us what kind of development we can expect for each of them. Like Jane, we can think that at some point someone is gonna offer him more money, he's gonna have to choose. Simon, I think that at some point he's gonna have to kill someone to protect his sister or to protect someone else from the crew. We have that potential relationship between Inara and Mal, and maybe at some point they're gonna be confronted, you know, with their feelings, but also with Inara being taken away by this reverse. I mean, we have a lot of potential development for the characters. We have all of these mysteries to resolve. So for the story, we already have all of that. And at the same point, I think that like we had during this episode, this cargo story that we have to sell to someone and all, I think that it's gonna be like that, you know, a big story, development for characters, narrative arcs, mysteries to resolve, and also little adventures for each episode, like right there, the cargo, patience, and all of that. That's gonna be great. Yes, I really appreciated this episode, these two first episodes working together, you know. I'm gonna post them on the same day. I can't see a way for me to, you know, to cut them. They are really together. It's almost like a movie, in fact, that pilot. That Western mood, it surprised me at first, but in a good way. But it's great because they are really going with it, you know, not only with the music, but also with the pictures, you know, the colors of the pictures, with the landscapes, with also the opening credit, again, the music into it, but also the colors of it, and also the way of writing the words, how they are standing also, you know, how they are working and all. During that moment that was so abuse, Patience and her guys, it was also abuse, that was a Western moment. After that, when they were riding their seas with the music like that and all, they are really playing with all of the rules of a Western, but into a space show. It's fun, you know, to play with these two moods that you can think, which are really separated, like Western, it's something that you're imagining for an historic show, for an action which is far from us, you know, on time. So to put that mood into something futurist, you know, sci-fi thing, it's fun, you know, to mix these two moods, it's really fun. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review. I'm gonna die a little more because it's so hot, and I think that I'm gonna film, yes, my reactions also of the third episode. Really, it's so hot, maybe I'm gonna change between episodes. But yes, I think that I'm gonna watch the next episode right now. For you, for sure, it's gonna be in another day. Don't ask me in Which for now I really don't know. I don't know if when I'm gonna post that I will, so don't ask and just check the description or check the schedule and you're gonna know. But for now I don't know. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.